This review is of Simply Nature Organic Blue Corn Tortilla Chips. It's gluten-free, non-GMO, USDA organic. And here are the nutrition facts and the ingredients. And it's certified organic by MOSA too. Never heard of them before, but that's okay. See if I can... Oh, darn it, I turned on the flash. Don't want that. There you go. Oh, Marty, you fell. Why do you keep on falling? Why? Stop falling. Just stay right there. All right. So let's go ahead and try these out. There we go. These are lightly salted with 80 milligrams of salt per serving. About 28 grams or 7 chips is a serving. Oh. Too much salt for me. They're a little bit less corn flavored than the regular ones. But still, the same. That's what I say. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.